Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we'll understand how to do the hypothesis testing in qualitative data. So for this, we'll go in Atlas.ti. After coding the qualitative data, codes are generated, document groups are generated, code groups are generated. To run the co-occurrence analysis between the codes, we'll go and analyze co-occurrence. There is a code experience of parenthood. Click on the negative effect, perception, positive effect, and here click on experience of parenthood and reasons for having the children. The cross tabulation is ready between the codes. The same thing can be presented in the form of Sankey chart, bar chart. Now we will export this table in Excel format. So this is our table. Now we want to run the chi-square. So for this we will require the column total for each column. So the column total, row total, which is this way, and the grand total. So this is our observed frequency. For chi-square, we also require the expected frequency. Now for this cell, if you want to calculate the expected frequency, it is calculated on the basis of column total, the respective column total of this cell, that is 68. The respective row total for this cell is 228. So 68 multiplied by 228 divided by 260 is my expected frequency for this cell. Check the formula. B5 into E3 upon E5. Now for this cell, if I want to calculate the expected frequency, it is calculated on the basis of column total 68, row total 32 divided by 260. Check it. B5 into E4 upon E5. Now for this cell, the expected frequency is calculated on the basis of this column total and this row total. So 123 into 228 divided by 260. So 107.86. For this cell, it is 123 into 32 divided by 260. Check. C5 into E4 divided by E5. For this cell, it was C5 into E3 divided by E5. Now for this cell, corresponding column total is this, corresponding row total is this. So 69 into 228 divided by 260. Check the formula, D5 into E3 divided by E5. For this cell, 69 into 32 divided by 260. D5 into E4 upon E5. Now we want to run the chi-square. So how we can do? Click on FX. There is a chi-square test. Click OK. Select the actual range from here. Select the expected range from here. Click OK and we got the p-value. This is our p-value. Okay, copy this p-value, which is here. So a minor difference is there, no need to worry. Now how we'll write the interpretation? A qualitative survey was carried out on happiness of parents after the birth of child. Just a minute. The provided cross tabulation presents the distribution of responses based on the experience of parenthood, reasons for having the children, and perceived effects categorized as either negative effects or the positive effects. The same table which we exported from Atlas.ti. On this, we calculated the chi-square. Now, the null hypothesis. There is no significant association between the experience of parenthood, reasons for having the children, and the reported sentiments that are negative effects, perception, and positive effects. The alternative hypothesis is there is a significant association between the experience of parenthood, reasons for having the children, and the reported sentiments. As a p-value of uh, the test is, as a p-value of chi-square test, let me write down here, as a p-value of chi-square test is 0.249, which suggests that the observed relationship between the experience of parenthood, reasons for having children, and the reported sentiments, negative effects, perception, and positive effects, is not statistically significant at 5% level of significance. So this is how you can do the hypothesis testing of qualitative data in Atlas.ti. For more videos on Atlas.ti, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can also refer my playlist in which I uploaded videos on data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. You can also join me on different social medias, link given in the description box.